Hello, good morning, good afternoon. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In case you're meeting me for the very first time, or in case you've forgotten my name, I'm Asikarani, a Kenyan content creator based in Nairobi, Kenya. I mostly deal with house documentaries, which most of you call house tours, and we have added another segment of Airbnb. And guys, I want by the end of this video, you give us a reason why you're not going to book with us. Why you're not going to book with us? Because we're giving the best services at a very affordable rate. Okay, so this is a 3-bedroom. We have a very spacious kitchen. Everything is sorted, spacious, fully furnished. Yes. And we're charging 4,000 per night, which is very fair because it's a 3-bedroom, and we allow up to a maximum of 6 people, which is fair. What do you think, guys? Yes, we have running water. Yes, please. And we have our washing area right here. Yes. We also offer laundry services at a fee on request. Give me a reason why you're not going to book with us. As in, these are home away from home. Yes. We have you covered in terms of hydrating. Yes. Imagine you chilling with your significant other when you away from home. What do you think? I love the fact that this space can be used as a dining area. You can have your books there. Give me a reason. I mean, I love the fact that it's giving what vibe? That vibe, eh? Yes, these are live plants because we're keeping you warm. When it comes to matters entertainment, we got you sorted. 4,000 per night. Give me a reason. We're not going to book with us. I'll be a plug from now henceforth, because I want to give you the best services when it comes to Airbnb. In fact, you guys, I'll be giving you my number because I want you to talk to me. Talk to me. Let me know unatafuta nyumba inakaaje. Yes. Oh, I almost forgot our beautiful views from the room. We have very beautiful views. Guys, as I mentioned, this house is 20 minutes drive away from JKIA and 5 minutes drive away to SGR at the river terminus. Yes, please. Yes, we have a common washroom. And because of our makeup babes, we got you sorted. You did not come here to suffer. Amen? we got you some. Sorry, we get you sorted. This room, this is the master bedroom. We have this room and this other room. Let's start with the master, or let's start with this one, the small room. We get you covered. I mean, when it comes to quality, we don't compromise. Yes, please, we don't compromise. We want you to feel warm, home away from home. Yes, when it comes to, we've locked this bedroom for now. Yeah, but we have a 3-bedroom. It's a 3-bedroom. Yes. We have our master bedroom. Guys, when it comes to quality, we're not compromising, because it starts with quality. I mean, we want you to keep warm while in our rooms. Yes. As in, you don't have a reason as to why you can't book with us. I mean, when temperatures zimeanza kuleta nini, you know, we have our fun there. Oh, guys, let me speak to my white friends who are about to book with us as well. I'm saying we got you covered when it comes to room that are 20 minutes drive away from JKIA, the airport, and 5 minutes drive away from the SGR at the river terminus. We have the master bedroom is ensuite, and that is our washroom and a bathroom over there. Give me a reason. You don't have a reason. In fact, in case you want to stay with us for a month, we charge 90,000 only, which is even cheaper. See the services. In case you want to come with the family, we got you covered. I mean, just tell me why. And to anyone who is watching within, don't think you can't book with us. No, through you, your friend will book with us, okay? Yes, when your friend asks about an Airbnb within Nairobi, please tell them to call Masikarani, okay? On 0703 60 76 86, 0703 60 7686. Masikarani, you'll talk to me, not even to my manager. You'll talk to me. I'm kidding, eh? But yes, guys, tell me why. As in, Matters Entertainment. Let me tell you, if you stay within Nairobi, you can book with us as well. Come get a different experience. Home away from your home, you know. Sometimes our homes can be boring. You have to wait until you go for a trip so you can sleep away from home. No. Come book with us. And in case you book with us for a month, services like our Wi-Fi, among other things, will cater for that. Okay? So tell me why. Why not us? Why? You don't have a reason. Yeah, so guys, that's it. In case you have a question, reach out to Masikarani on my number. It's on the video. It will be on the description box. You can text me on Instagram, on my email. Yes, you can get me anywhere. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and until next time, bye bye.